I just went out and bought this Miller Thunderbolt 160 DC stick welder. 120 to 240 volts. I just had that put in so I can start welding and welding mounts for this stupid phone when I'm shooting a video. This is your standard, ordinary open boxing, open boxing, whatever. You know what I'm talking about. Oh, this thing that I bought and arrived early. Thank God for that. Gives me to do something instead of procrastinate and do videos on things. Anyways, what we see here first is the ever important instructions. You probably want to hold on to those. Let's see. And we got the wand, the stinger, whatever you want to call it. Let's see that. That's some stuff I'm going to have to install, looks like. Got yourself your ground clamp, which seems, I don't know, a little flimsy, I guess. It'll do. Styrofoam. The 110 or the 120 and 240 volt cables. Well, actually, one is probably the regular cable, the other one's the actual positive into this welding shenanigans. Okay, there's the power cord that's in the box. It's very light. You can pick it up with 4 fingers. Tote bag. And the ever important power connector. So you can connect one power connectors up to this 120 volt end. And you hope you don't blow circuit after circuit on the 120 outlet. You plug it in. Or you do what I did. You get a 30 amp box. I think it's rated for 30 amps. The 240 volt big old monster plug here for 240 volt connection. Yeah, that's about it. I will be doing a welding video because I've been busy last couple months. So I'm familiar with buzzboxing and stick welding, so I guess that's what I'm going to be doing from here on out. Well, not every day, but metal is expensive, and I don't want to have to cut down a freaking fire watch tower, you know, just for the steel, just to practice on. That would be not right. But yeah, I will give I guess, many people have done a review on this, but I'll do a review from someone who doesn't know welding very well, who can weld, you know, 60-10, because that's probably the easiest, and you don't need to prep the area, and I hate prepping. But yeah, that's about it. So there's your unboxing. Got all the crap there. Yay. And the 82 Land Cruiser in the background with some bedding on it for some reason. Who put that there is beyond me. Well, I don't know. See you guys later.